In today's video, I'm going to teach you use a right-aligned tab for numbers. If your numbered lists look a little messy, maybe the text shifts when you hit double digits. This quick formatting pass will make everything line up cleanly and read more professionally. Start by highlighting the entire numbered list you want to fix. Make sure every item you plan to format is selected so the changes apply consistently across the list. This step is important because applying settings to only part of a list can create uneven spacing. Next, right-click anywhere on the highlighted list and choose Adjust List Indents. This opens a small dialog box that controls how your numbers and text align. Think of it as the control center for the list's spacing. In the dialog, set number position to left and choose where you want the numbers to start. This setting anchors the number column. If your document uses a standard margin, keep the number position close to that left edge. The goal is to keep the numbers aligned in a straight vertical line so they look tidy no matter how many digits you use. Now set the text indent, which determines where the actual list text begins. This creates a clean gap between the number and the words. Pick a spot that feels balanced with your page layout. Far enough to be readable, but not so far that it wastes space. You'll instantly see how this helps the text line up neatly from one line to the next. Finally, adjust tab space after number. A good starting range is about 0.25 to 0.5 inches. This tells your document to add a consistent horizontal tab after the number, so the text snaps to the same spot every time. That consistency is what keeps single-digit and double-digit numbers from pushing the text back and forth, and it's the key to clean alignment. Click OK to apply the changes. Your list should now have evenly spaced numbers, with the periods or parentheses lining up and the text starting at a consistent point. If the spacing feels a bit tight, nudge the tab space closer to ½ inch. If it feels too wide, bring it down toward ¼ inch. Small adjustments go a long way. That's it. By highlighting the list, opening Adjust List Indents, setting the number position on the left, choosing a sensible text indent, and dialing in a tab space after the number, you've created a solid, right-aligned visual column for the numbers. This ensures the numbers are evenly spaced and the periods line up for a crisp, professional look.